Hi, I'm Ken De Leon. I am the director of Live AIDS 35, a Laugh Story. So this year's Live AIDS is special because not only are we celebrating the 35th installment of Live AIDS, we are also celebrating the 50th anniversary of UP Samascom, the organization behind the show. And this year, sinigurado namin that we will celebrate the 50-year legacy of the organization by inviting members from different generations, from the youngest one and a little bit of the founder charter members from the first batch of Live AIDS. But more than that, in terms of the content, I ask the writers to create a content that is relevant, that is impactful. I always ask them, why tell this story and why tell it now? It is important for me na may laman yung kwento, na may laman yung tawa, na ang pagpapatawa ay hindi lang para ma-entertain ka, pero ang pagpapatawa ay may laman, may sinasabi. At yun sana yung isa sa mga gusto kong ma-achieve this year.
Yung content with sir is updated with regards to yung pinaka-latest na nangyayari?
Oh yes, our content is very reflection kung anong nangyayari ngayon sa lipunan. Kung merong mga top and trending news, we revise accordingly. In fact, there's a joke na ang first show ay iba sa second show because kapag may nangyaring kakaiba, kailangan may pasok dahil ang Live AIDS, in a way, Live AIDS is positioning itself as a storyteller of the nation. Kung anong nangyayari, dapat nasa Live AIDS yan.
From the previous press cons, direct, nando si Jerby and then ito yung mga nando sa previous, the last year Sino po ang mga surprise na kasama ngayon?
Well, it's a surprise. Pero of course, makakasama pa din natin ang nag-iisang Kalad Garrett at marami pang iba.
So may surprise?
May mga surprise cameos.
Ito ba yung mga kilala? Or mga...
Yes. We're just checking their schedule. So, cherry on top sila. We're just checking their schedule. But they have a special place in the show.
Compared to the previous one last year, sir, kayo ba yung dating director doon? Or
no, I was,
iba?
But I was the head writer.
Head writer?
Yes.
So, anong pinaka-big difference compared to last year?
Oh, the big difference is, I think the theme Laugh Story focused on the story of laughter and its meaning there was importance sa pagsusulat, sa pagkikwento. Hindi naman talaga ito ibang-iba or kakaiba, pero syempre mas bongga, mas grande. In fact, some of our performers and creative heads flew from different countries, went back to the Philippines, nagbakasyon for a month or two to be part of Live AIDS, to be part of this golden celebration.
You mentioned, sir, na kayo yung head writer last year.
Yes.
But now you're upgraded into a director already. So, would you say na much better ngayon? Compared sa yung style ng directing?
No, I don't want to compare, but I think I have my own style. And as a writer myself, I focused on the writing part to ensure all content is updated and interesting at magugustuhan ng iba't ibang audience segments. Okay, Gen Z ka man, Millennial, or Gen X, may enjoy mo ang Live AIDS.
So, you're no longer a head writer, pero I'm sure kasama ka pa rin sa mga content.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, meron ka pa rin power doon, di ba?
Yes. I think when I presented myself as the director, I said I will focus on that aspect heavily. And they love me for it naman.
Did you volunteer or inassign sa inyo yung directing?
I volunteered.
Wow.
I signed up. I wrote a letter to the president that I want to direct the 35th installment. And luckily, they kind of trust me because of my performance from last year. So, umano ako.
And you believe on the goal of Live AIDS?
Yes, the goal of Live AIDS. Yes, number one, to train students, the future media leaders. Na-imagine mo, bata pa lang sila, they're experiencing professional work. I also believe in Live AIDS for having you know, the thing with Live Aids is it becomes a platform for free and creative expression. So, in doing that, I advocate for free and creative expression dahil writer ako. At ang Live Aids ay isa sa mga entablado kung saan malaya at malikha namin nagagawa ang mga bagay-bagay.
Direct comparing last year's before the political arena. Right now, di ba, we have the unit team.
Yes.
I mentioned it na, di ba, the unit team is no longer the unit team.
Yes, yes.
So, di ba, kasama ba sa content niyo? Yes.
Kasama. Lahat ng iniisip ninyong importante sa mga Pilipino ay isasama namin.
But, commenting on it, would you say na mas magulo ngayon ang politics natin?
Oh, well, politika ay parang isang circus. Pero tingin ko din ang politika ay parang kwento na minsan pa iba-iba, minsan magulo. Pero kailangan natin tong aralin, basahin, para malaman natin kung paano natin may susulat ng mas maganda ang mga susunod na kabanata. Remember po, next week ay senatorial election natin at magpiplay kung sino ang mga bagong senador natin sa ating kinabukasan. Well, we do not want to be preachy. We just want to give the audience a reminder of the core values of the Filipino people, that what should we consider.
You mentioned circus. So, are you saying na parang mga clowns yung mga ating mga political candidates?
Ay, kayo po nagsabi noon. Kayo po nagsabi. Para siya, let's just say na napakataas ng entertainment value ng ating mga politiko na may mga sinasabi sila at parang huling-huli, kuhang-kuha ang atensyon ng mga Pilipino na yun ba talaga ang role ng isang politiko, to entertain us or to serve us? At isa yan sa mga tanong na itatanong sa installment na ito ng Live Aids.
Okay. Sir, would you say na yung mga nakapanood last year, the previous years ng Live Aids, nagkaroon ba ng effect sa kanila, influence sa kanilang show ng Live Aids?
Yeah. I think the point of comedy is to relieve us na parang maminsan magulo ang mundo. And sometimes, itawa mo na lang yan.
And would you say after watching this, magkakaroon kami ng parang konting knowledge or influence na para sa decision namin on the election?
Yes, I think everything that happens sa buhay ng tao has an effect on them. Well, we want to create an effect. We want our viewers to be more critical, mas mapaisip. Sa amin enough na yung mapaisip sila. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Tama ba to? Pero we still leave it to the audience to interpret what is the meaning of the show and what it is trying to say.
Sige sir, direct, invite them to watch the show.
Hi! Manood po kayo ng Live Aids, A Laugh Story dito po sa IBG Cal, May 8, 9, 10, 11, 2025.
And one last thing, shout out sir. On the count of 3, sigaw kayo ng What's Up Pilipinas? And then say watch Live Aids naman. 1, 2, 3.
What's up Pilipinas? Watch Live Aids!
Thank you.